the last summer, Crash Team Racing Remastered has been released. We really wanted to create a project about it. In this video, we recreate the speed upward effect on Unity. The ball shader has a looping scroll effect with an arrow texture. Also, it seems an LCD monitor because it has a pixel and little vertical lines. Passing over it, the player receives a huge speed boost. Meanwhile, the smoke's particles change to fire and the kart rears up. We created a project with the lightweight render pipeline. In a new scene, we placed a big plane where we can test our kart. We downloaded the kart model from GitHUB. The link is in the description. We imported the kart model in Unity, we put it in an empty parent and rescaled it. Then we created the structure to control the movement of the kart. We used a box collider as a body, and 4-wheel collider for the wheels. Using a data structure, we declare the front and back wheel axis. In the fixed update, we listened for the user input and updated the wheels colliders. Depending on two Boolean parameters, each axis can have motor traction or can steer. To the kart's parent, we assign a rigid body with a mass set to 1500, and define the max motor torque and the max steering angle. We realized the board's shader using the shader graph. The texture scrolls vertically controlled by a time parameter. Working with the UV node, we realized the pixel effect as we made before for the Pixelation video. Through a parameter, we rounded down the UV values. In the last step, we worked with the red channel of the UV to obtain the vertical lines. Then we multiplied everything for the color. The smoke's particles are positioned inside the exhaust pipes. They have a cone shape and emit 20 particles per time. From the Unity blog we downloaded the smoke and the fire flipbooks, all for free. Using the texture sheet animator we animated the downloaded flipbooks. Thanks to the color we decided the transparency of the particles. In the end, we changed the size and the rotation of the particle. The fire particles are a copy of the smoke particles with few differences. They emit more particles over time and have a shorter duration. Also, they use a different flipbooks and a different color. We added a collider to the speed-up board and calculated the forces that we applied to the player. The first force pushed the car forward and it's an acceleration force. The second force is impulsive and pushes vertically the tip of the kart. To apply the vertical force, we found an ideal point with a sphere helper. In the kart's script, we changed between smoke and fire particles depending on the velocity magnitude of the rigid body. With the Cinemachine package, we easily create a virtual camera. This camera follows the player and respects our constraints. We created a long way to test our turbo boost. Finally, we added materials to the kart, and then we added an exceptional driver. After a bit of bloom, this is the final result. Tell us what you think about this effect in a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!